India's forgotten dangerous mystery places you'll never want to look back. A journey into ancient secrets, haunting legends, and unsolved mysteries. Welcome to Mystic Bharat, the one place where ancient secrets, forgotten legends, and unexplained mysteries of India come alive. From cursed villages and ghost forts to vanishing cities and gods that defy science, we bring you stories you were never meant to know. But remember, once you enter this world, you may never look at reality the same way again. Subscribe now if you are ready to unlock the secrets of India's dark past. Hit the bell icon and step into the unknown. India, a land of gods, temples, myths, and miracles. But hidden within its ancient soil lies a darker reality, mysterious places where time stands still, where shadows whisper secrets, and where every step is a risk you may regret. These are not tourist destinations, these are forbidden, forgotten, feared. 1. Kuldhara village, the cursed sands of Rajasthan. Location near Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. It is said no soul dares to live in Kuldhara, once a prosperous Paliwal Brahman village. It was abandoned overnight with no trace of struggle. Legend says the village head's daughter caught the eye of a cruel minister. To protect her, the villagers vanished overnight, leaving behind a deadly curse: no one shall ever settle here again. Locals report hearing voices, footsteps, and witnessing flickering lamps in ruins, even though the village has no power. What really happened that night? Mass exodus or a supernatural event? Till today, attempts to repopulate have failed. Those who tried ran away before sunrise, terrified. To the Konka Lane Pass, India-China alien hotspot. Location: Ladakh region, India-China border. Far from civilization, in the silent, icy desert of Ladakh lies the most secretive mountain pass of the Himalayas, Konka La. Restricted and patrolled heavily, it is not war they guard, it is something far more cosmic. Multiple satellite images and eyewitness reports suggest UFO sightings. Locals believe there is an underground alien base right under the mountains. Even the Indian and Chinese governments have never fully denied it. Why is this region so secret? Why do strange lights appear in the sky at night? Is it a military experiment or a real alien presence? 3. The hanging pillar of Lepakshi, defying gravity, hiding secrets. Location: Lepakshi Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Walk into the Veerbhadra temple of Lepakshi and you will find a pillar that hangs without touching the ground. Locals claim if you pass a cloth underneath it, it slides freely, proof that the pillar levitates. Ancient engineering or divine intervention. But there is more underneath the temple floor, are secret tunnels. And on its ceiling, a carving of Lord Shiva's cosmic dance with spacecraft-like imagery beside it. Some believe this temple guards a doorway to a parallel world. Is Lepakshi hiding more than it reveals? 4. The Skeleton Lake, Roopkund's Eye Seekers. Location: Roopkund, Uttarakhand. Imagine trekking through the snow and suddenly hundreds of skeletons lie frozen beneath your feet. Welcome to Roopkund, a glacial lake 16,000 feet above sea level, known as Skeleton Lake. Over 800 skeletons dating back to the 9th century were discovered here. All killed in the same way, by blows to the head. But there are no signs of war. Was it a ritual, a hailstorm of death, or did they disturb something forbidden in the Himalayas? 5. Jatinga, the suicidal birds village. Location: Assam. Every year during monsoon twilight, birds of various species fly directly into walls, poles and fires, killing themselves. Scientists struggle for answers. Locals say it is the wrath of spirits. This bizarre phenomenon only occurs in a 1-kilometer strip of land and only during a few specific months. Not even migratory patterns explain it. Is it magnetic disturbance, hypnosis from gas, or do the birds hear voices we cannot? 6. The Shani Shinganapur temple, where doors have no locks. Location: Maharashtra. A village where no house has a door. No locks, not even safes. Why? Because it is believed Lord Shani protects them. Yet no theft has occurred for over 300 years. Those who tried suffered divine punishment, freak accidents, paralysis, or death within days. Is it faith or fear that rules here? And what unseen force watches this village all the time? 7. Bhangarh Fort, the officially haunted place of India. Location: Rajasthan. Declared haunted by the Government of India, no one is allowed here after sunset. Locals believe a wizard cursed the land after a princess rejected him. Since then, deaths, disappearances, and unholy shadows roam the fort after dark. Visitors report hearing screams, whispers, and seeing shadowy figures following them. Paranormal investigators have found temperature drops, EMF spikes, and bizarre voices on recorders. Is it just a story to protect an archaeological site, or is there truly a force beyond logic? 8. Kodungalur Temple, the blood rituals of Kali. Location: Kerala. In the quiet town of Kodungalur, Kerala, stands a temple so old and powerful that its rituals shock even modern minds. This is the Kodungalur Bhagwati temple, dedicated to the fierce goddess Kali. But once a year it becomes something else entirely. During the Bharni festival, devotees run around the temple chanting obscene phrases, slashing themselves with swords and smearing blood in devotion. The air turns thick with trance-like energy. Why such brutal worship? Legend says the goddess demands raw devotion, and if not pleased, the town will face her wrath in the form of plagues or death. No camera crew has successfully captured the full event. Those who mocked or interfered suffered mysterious illnesses. 9. Gyanganj, the invisible city of immortals. Location: somewhere in the Himalayas, possibly Tibet or North Sikkim. High in the Himalayas beyond snow and silence exists a mythical place that cannot be seen by the unworthy. It is called Gyanganj, a hidden city of sages, gods, and immortals. Ancient texts and yogic scriptures speak of this divine realm where eternal beings watch over mankind, influencing global balance from behind the veil. Swamis and monks claim to have reached it through deep meditation and astral projection. But when they return, they speak little, only saying it exists, but you must be chosen to see it. No modern explorer has ever found it. Satellite scans reveal nothing, yet the legends never die. 10. The Temple of Kal Bhairav, where God drinks alcohol. Location: Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. In Ujjain stands a temple to Kal Bhairav, the fierce guardian deity of time and destruction. But this temple hides a strange, inexplicable ritual. The idol here drinks alcohol. Devotees offer liquor directly to the lips of the stone idol and it vanishes. No outlet, no drainage. Scientists have tried to explain it. But the liquid disappears instantly only during rituals. Who drinks it? Is it divine magic or ancient science lost to time? No camera has caught the process clearly. It always blurs or malfunctions. Locals say, do not question the protector of time, just offer and watch. From bleeding temples and haunted ruins to hidden cities and gods that defy science, India is not just a land, it is a living mystery. Some places tell their stories with pride. Others hide them in silence, daring only the brave to ask. Should we explore further, or are some truths best left buried in time? These ancient places still whisper through the vines, their secrets sealed behind curses, blood rituals, and hidden powers. We have only scratched the surface. Somewhere out there more mysteries are waiting, untouched, unseen, and unexplained. If you enjoyed this journey into India's dark secrets, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment which place gave you chills, or do you know a forgotten mystery we should cover next? Until then, stay curious, stay fearless, and never stop exploring the unknown.